and kind of put you back on the reflectivity mode of the radar, you notice there's a lot of very heavy rain, and it's going to be these little spots right here. See where we have this little kink in the line, or kind of intrudes a little bit ahead of the line there? That's going to be the best chance to see a brief tornado there, getting very close to Oxford, and then potentially another one down here. It's going to be just to the southeast of Brookville, east of State Route 1 and north of I-74. And it's just quick little inflow notches where they appear very quickly. That's going to be the best chance of seeing a tornado. I also want to point out, too, if you live in Camden, Preble County, there's a severe thunderstorm warning that is tagged tornado possible for you. And so just understand that we could see a brief tornado up here in parts of Preble County as well. You kind of notice another one of those inflow notches there. James, you got anything?
No, I just want to say, I just texted with the Preble County Sheriff, and again, I told him what was coming his way. He said he's watching, he's paying very close attention to what's happening, so he is going to let us know if indeed something bad happens as far as damage and so forth there in Preble County. Talk to somebody else who has a daughter who goes to Miami University. You know, it's interesting. People have been paying very close attention to what's going on with this weather over the last several days because of our meteorologists, and their daughter decided not to go back to Miami University tonight because of this strong line of storms that we are now seeing on Doppler 7.
Yeah, absolutely. That extend that warning too.
Yeah, severe thunderstorm right now. So this is going to include Champaign, Clark, Greene, Warren, Butler, Montgomery, Miami counties. That's a lot of counties. That's going to go all the way until 9:15 this evening. And the main hazard here, winds to 60 miles per hour, some quarter-sized hail, and let's see, it is tagged a tornado possible. So understand, there is not a tornado warning for Montgomery County right now, but the severe thunderstorm warning, when the National Weather Service tags this as tornado possible, they are seeing enough indications on radar that a brief tornado could pop up. It's just not a strong enough signal right now to issue a tornado warning. So a very early call to action. There's a lot of folks in very populated areas now downwind of this. Troy, Dayton, Springboro, Lebanon, Xenia, Springfield, and close there to Urbana. Be prepared. You may have to move to that tornado shelter as we go along here the next little bit. Of course, we're on right now because